AI video just leveled up. Seedance 2.0 is coming soon and the early signals are very serious. It introduces one-click video creation, turning one simple prompt into a full cinematic sequence instantly. Seedance 2.0's unified multi-input control lets you combine images, videos, audio, and text all at once. And the AI intelligently understands how every element works together in a single seamless video. It offers frame-level precision, keeping characters, objects, transitions consistent across every single shot. It supports multi-camera storytelling, generating natural angle changes and smooth scene progression automatically. And with high-impact motion synthesis, action scenes look fluid, dynamic, and physically realistic. Let's compare Seedance 2.0 versus 1.5. In 2.0, we have faster generation, higher resolution, multi-input control, frame-level precision, and better storytelling. This is the comparison between different AI models, Seedance, Kling, and Sora, as well as Rio 3.1. Now, here's a big question. How does this compare? Sora impressed the world with realism, Kling pushed strong motion and physics, Runway focused on editing workflows, and Seedance 2.0 appears to combine all of it. Isn't that amazing? Cinematic quality, character consistency, native audio generation, and structured storytelling. In one unified system, if it delivers on those signals, it could seriously challenge the current AI video leaders. It has This is the user discussion for Seedance 2.0. Talks about camera movement, motion stability. This is the comparison between Seedance 2.0 and 1.5. Look at that, amazing.
Oh, come on.
收到一条投诉。
Hi, bro. I can do this all day.